Welcome to the research world. In today's video, we will learn how to convert speech to text. Let's begin. Open your Play Store. Search Otter. I have already installed it, so you just install it. I will show a practical example how you will convert speech with this application. Let's begin. Click on mic icon and start speaking.
There is a great deal of increase in the adoption of environment management systems by the corporate sector. Literature has given importance to the adoption of the environmental practices as a key objective of the organizational functioning, making it important to identify with the support of the human resource management practices. Today, there is a debate and uncertainty associated with how green management principles can be implemented effectively amongst the workforce of the organization. This review article identifies how corporations today develop human resource policies for promoting the environment management initiatives. There is a need for the proactive approach to the environmental management across the world. Earlier, success of a firm was strongly dependent on the promotion of the economic value. However, today, organizations
You noticed that how fast you can write with this app. You can export this file via email, WhatsApp, etc. Thank you for watching.